Now we are into the final month of Q4 and you should be seeing your sales go through the roof. However, if you're not seeing this, then here are 3 key areas to focus on to boost your sales. The first step is to critically analyze the ranking of your current books. One of the things I notice with many of my beginner clients is that their books are listed under keywords in niches with low demand. So for example, if we take a look through this lion coloring book niche, it has just over 1,000 results, so there isn't a huge amount of competition. But if we take a look through a lot of these books, BSRs, we can see that they are quite high, and this indicates a low demand. So unfortunately, whatever type of book you publish within this lion coloring book niche, you're just not going to get a huge amount of sales from it because the demand just isn't there. A large majority of these books have BSRs above 500,000, and if we take a look at TCK's BSR calculator, we see that a BSR of 500,000 only makes about 10 sales per month. So instead of targeting niches like this, shift your focus to with very low BSRs under 100,000, then ensure that there isn't a huge amount of competition, and then make sure that you also see recent books are selling too. These niches do take time to find, but they definitely are out there, and I've got several niche research videos that you can watch. The second thing that I recommend you take time to do is to improve your book covers. Now, these are the first point of interaction with any potential customer. Seeing these book covers here, we can clearly see which one of them looks less professional. And there is no surprise that it hasn't got any sales. And I think it's a real shame to put in all that hard work doing the content and interior just to be let down by a poor cover. Now, there's many tools that you can utilize, such as Canva. They have many templates that you can use for inspiration. You've got AI tools such as DALL-E 3, which enable you to create covers, and I've got a video that walks you through that. And you can even hire a freelancer for a small amount of $10 that can take your book covers to the next level, and I've got a full video walking you through that. But take the time to study many of the covers in your niche and then use any of the steps mentioned in order to create the best cover that you can. Third, you need to be optimizing your advertising efforts, as simply running an ad on Amazon just isn't enough, that you need to monitor and optimize your ads continually. So if I have an ad that's not performing, I like to check the ad placement and see where it's actually appearing on Amazon. So if your ad is not on the first 2 pages, then it's less likely to be seen by your potential customers. Most customers don't really go through the first 2 pages, so you want to make sure that your ad is on one of those. Although if it's not, I recommend increasing your ad budget. And if you've done that and you're still not seeing sales, then I would consider the first 2 steps again in this video if there is enough demand for that niche. So look through the BSRs and then think about changing your cover design. And if you are doing targeted manual ads, make sure that you are targeting products and keywords with high demand. And you can see within your ad campaign which books have a lot of ratings, and you can also go onto Amazon and check their BSRs to ensure that the product you're targeting does have demand. So we are just into December now, but taking these 3 actions can definitely increase your book's visibility, appeal, and hopefully lead to sales. But make sure you are taking swift action and let me know how you're getting on in the comments.